Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we'll look at the graphical method of solving simultaneous equations. Previously, we already talked about substitution and elimination method of solving simultaneous equations. Link to the substitution and elimination method of solving simultaneous equation will be on the description section of this video. Please do wait to watch the video for better clarity. And so today we'll solve this pair of equations using the graphical method. Now let's start with the first equation. In the first equation being this, let x be 0. That is, you replace x with 0 and solve the equation to get the value of y. We have 0 plus y equal 1. Therefore, y is equal 1 when x is 0. So we now have the first coordinate. X is 0, y is 1. Now we'll draw our graph with 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and 4. So for the first coordinate where x is 0, of course the horizontal axis is known as the x-axis. Y is 1, that is the vertical part at this point. Now let y be 0 in the first equation. That is, we'll represent y with 0 and solve for x. So we have x plus y. We did say y is 0. Equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x is 1 when y is 0. So we'll plot this second coordinate in our graph. X is 1 and y is 0. Now let's draw the first line by connecting these points. Take it down all the way. Now in the second equation, let x be 0. That is, we replace x with 0 and solve the equation to get the value of y. Y minus 0 equal 3. So y is equal 3. So this is the first coordinate for the second equation where x is 0 and y is 3. Now let's plot this point in our graph. So we have x is 0, y is 3. Now let y be 0 and we solve for x. 0 minus x equal to 3 minus x equal 3. Dividing both sides by -1 to eliminate negative from x. So now we have positive x equal 3 divided by -1 gives -3. So the coordinate is -3. That is, when x is -3, y is 0. Let's connect these points. The solutions to the simultaneous equation is where the two lines meet or cross. The two lines meet at this point. That is, at point where x is -1 and y is 2. If you are getting value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now let's attempt the second question. In the first equation, let x be 0. That is, we'll replace x with 0 and solve for the value of y. We have 4 times 0 minus y equal 11. 4 times 0 is 0. So we have -y equal 11. So we divide both sides by -1 to change the -y to positive. So y is 11 divided by -1, -11. So we trace this on our graph. When x is 0, y is -11 somewhere here. Now let y be 0 and let's solve for x. 4x minus 0 equal 11. We have 4x equal 11, where x will be equal 11 divided by 4, 2.75. So when y is 0, let's connect these 2 points. From the second equation, let x be 0 while we solve for the value of y. That is 5 times 0 plus 2y equal 4. Of course, 5 times 0 is 0, so we are left with 2y equal 4. That y will be equal 4 divided by 2. So when x is 0, y is 2. At this point, let y be 0 and let's solve for the value of x. So we have 5x plus 2 times y is 0 equal 4. 5x, 2 times 0 is 0 equal 4. Therefore, x will be equal 4 divided by 5, 0.8. So when x is 0.8, y is 0. At this point, let's connect these 2 points. So we draw it all the way down. So the solutions to the equation is where the two lines meet. At this point, on the x-axis is at point 2, while on the y-axis is at point -3. Now let's answer the last question. From equation 1, let x be 0, then we'll solve for y. 3x, that is 3 times 0 plus y equal 4. 3 times 0 is 0, so we have y equal 4. Now let's trace this on our graph. When x is 0, y is 4 at this point. Let's solve for the value of x when y is 0. So we have 3x plus 0 equal 4. So x will be equal 4 divided by 3, 1.3. So when y is 0, x is 1.3 at this point. Let's connect the points. So we've connected the points. When x is 0, let's solve for y. So we have 0 plus y equal minus 2. Therefore, y is minus 2. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. Now let's solve for x when y is 0. So when y is 0, we have x plus 0 equal minus 2. Therefore, x is equal negative 2. So when y is 0, x is equal negative 2. Now let's connect these 2 points. The solution to the equation is where the two lines meet. That is at s equal 3.3 and y equal negative 5.3. If at this point you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. And also do well to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Comment with any questions or topic you would want us to cover in future video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.